Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Xyo. Xyo is currently trading for 0.008 against the US dollar. Xyo is down 92% from its all-time high. How high can Xyo go in this relief rally we're having right now? I'll be showing you important resistance level we'll need Xyo to clear if we're going to see new all-time highs in this relief rally. Right now, the altcoin market is pumping in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, we've had a green month. We have Celsius up 125%, Ethereum Classic up 144%, even Xyo is up 26.8%. Is it time to start buying altcoins? We'll be looking at the Xyo Bitcoin chart. How is Xyo performing against Bitcoin? We'll also be looking at Xyo's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Xyo's market cap. Currently, it's at $111 million. Can we break the all-time high of $1 billion? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading, investing, or holding Xyo in the long haul, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, the point of recording this video, we're having a bear market relief rally. Right now, all coins are pumping really hard. In the last 1 year, Xyo is down 5%, but the good news is that in the last 1 month, it's up 26.8%. Should we start buying some Xyo right now? Currently, Xyo has a market cap of $112 million. In the last 1 year, Xyo has gone as high as $0.08 and as low as $0.005. Currently, Xyo has 12.8 billion tokens in circulation out of a maximum 13.9 billion tokens. Where can you get some? Before you look at the price chart, if you want to get some to hold through the bear market, you can get some on Coinbase, on Qcoin, on Gate.io, on Hubo Global, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. We have over 67,000 people that have Xyo on their watch list. It's currently ranked 193 on coin market cap. This is the Xyo US dollar price chart from 2018 till 2022. We have 4 years worth of price history for Xyo. You can see that Xyo during the bear market, it dumps really hard from when it was launched in May 2018. It was launched at the depths of the bear market. It dumped till it found its bottom in January 2021. Guys, it took Xyo more than 700 days to actually find its bottom, but after it bottomed right here and went in on bull run and the whole crypto market started pumping, guess what Xyo did? It pumped to the moon. It returned over 71,000% in just 602 days. Crazy guys. If you had invested $1,000 in Xyo right here on the 16th of March 2020, or even on the 21st of January 2021, you got to receive over $738,000. That's crazy pumps you can get with altcoins when they pump to the upside. But guys, the other side of that is that when they dump really hard. And from that high that Xyo set in 2021 October, it has been dumping since then. It has lost over 92% of its value. How low will it go in the bear market? How high can it go in this relief rally? We know that all coins during the bear market, they can lose from 90 to 99% of their value during the bear market. Even though they get all their value back in the bull run, but the bear market is a brutal time for all coins. And guys, history has shown that all coins take around 700 to 800 days to bottom after they topped out. And right now, Xyo is just down in the last 266 days. So if Xyo is going to take another 400 or 600 days to bottom out, we might not see Xyo bottoming out till maybe January 2024. Nobody wants to hold Xyo that long before you start seeing the upside, but guys, that means you have a long time to accumulate Xyo at very cheap prices. Now, this relief rally we're having in the altcoin market, how high can we go? You can see that Xyo got to as high as $0.014 and got rejected off that level. That level was a huge support for Xyo in the beginning of 2022, and when we started dumping the market in February 2022, Xyo found support around that level. It bounced, got to as high as 0.23, and then we dumped to Goblin Town. And even when we finally bottomed right here, this was a very critical support for Xyo. You can see right here that was where we topped in March, May, and April 2021. That was where we found heavy resistance. When Bitcoin was 64,000, everything was going to the moon. Xyo got to as high as 0.006 and found resistance in that level. Now, we had a mini bear market in 2021 in the altcoin market, and that's what you see happening with Xyo right now. It didn't really dump during that bear market. It just went from the high that I said in May 2021, it just went down 70%. Now, it might look really small in the grand scheme of things if you consider the fact that before it went down 70%, Xyo had already pumped over 7,119%. Crazy pumps. This is why you want to be holding all coins in the bull run, including XYO. But guys, the bear market is where you want to be accumulating all these altcoins, so that in the bull run you will be among the people selling and shouting kumbaya, I finally made it. If you look at the RSI for XYO, this XYO on a weekly time frame, you can see that the RSI for XYO is telling us that this is a very good time to start accumulating some XYO, even though it can continue going low. Now the RSI is at this lower end. We know that anytime the RSI at this lower end, it has been a good accumulation region for XYO. But guys, it doesn't mean the bottom is in. We can still keep ranging for more than a year. XYO ranged from the 22nd July 2019 till 15th of March 2021 before you start seeing mad pumps in it. With crypto, you have to be patient, XYO included. Right now, we're in Altseason. Altcoin season index is showing us that we're in Altseason. That means altcoins are pumping, and history has shown that anytime this index has flashed, we're in Altseason. That has been a good time to sell your crypto because a huge dump is coming. It doesn't mean you should just go all out right and start selling everything. It just means just maybe we've gotten to the end of this relief rally. Only time we tell. Today we just flashed altcoin season. Today the index just flashed that we're in Altseason. Right now, altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, including XYO. XYO's performance against Bitcoin has been impressive, but it looks as if it's dumping. It really pumped. We had a mad pump last week. In the last 2 months, XYO went up more than 163% against Bitcoin. But right now, it looks as if it's losing back all those gains. It has been dumping. It has lost more than 42% of its value. Guys, look at XYO's performance against Bitcoin over the years. From when XYO was launched right here in May 2018, it dumped really hard against Bitcoin during the bear market. It lost 75% of its value. But during that bear market, something crazy happened. From September till December 2018, XYO gained more than 669% against Bitcoin. This was where Bitcoin was bottoming out. XYO was one of those altcoins that continued gaining value even after Bitcoin continued dumping. When Bitcoin bottomed out right here, that's where XYO topped. It started dumping against Bitcoin. It lost more than 99.5% of its value during the bear market. But that was the time to get some XYO. That was the time to flip some Bitcoin into some XYO, because what happened the next bull run, it pumped crazy and it went to the moon. It went up more than 9,500% against Bitcoin. But guys, with crypto, anytime you see huge pumps like this, just know that the other side of that huge pumps is a huge dump coming. Even in that 2021, XYO had 2 bull runs. The first bull run, it took it very high. It dumped into October 2021, it lost 70% of its value, and then it pumps again when Bitcoin was going to set new all-time highs. That was very impressive to see. Right now, this is the time to accumulate some XYO. If you're going to be holding XYO for the future, if you intend to hold it till 2023, 2024, you intend to be among those people that will sell it when it gets to $1, because guys, I believe at some point in time in the future, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, we might see a $1 XYO. Guys, let's look at how XYO is performing against the #1 altcoin in the market. Its performance against Ethereum is very weird. In 2018, the market was dumping. XYO was pumping really hard against Ethereum. It set its all-time high against Ethereum in 2018 December. In that period in time, it went up over 1,446% in just 140 days. That was a very impressive return for XYO during the bear market. But what happened after that is started dumping, and it has not been able to set a new all-time high against Ethereum since then. It lost over 99.5% of its value against Ethereum. The 2021 bull run, where XYO went to the moon on its dollar pairing against Ethereum, it just returned a measly 2,000%. So right now, should we start flipping our Ethereum for some XYO? We know that the bear market is very brutal to all coins, XYO included. We can see what happened in the previous bear market, that even after the bear market was off and the market started pumping, XYO kept dumping, and that's why you want to avoid these altcoins during the bear market. They are very risky. If you want to buy them, you want to dollar cost averaging to them. Taking a look at XYO's market cap, the market cap of XYO topped right here in the 2021 bull run. The market cap got to as high as $1 billion. That was very impressive to see, because at the depth of the bear market, XYO just had a market cap of $1.6 million. That's more than a 56,000% increase in just 700 days. If you get crazy pumps to the upside, expect crazy dumps to the downside. Right now, XYO is still down 92% from its all-time high. Guys, it can still dump further low. We can still see it lose as high as 98% of its value during the bear market. Important levels we want XYO to hold during the bear market is this $77 million level. If it doesn't hold that level, then just maybe we might see it drop to as low as $17 million. But that's not all. If it drops to $17 million, there's still hope for XYO, because it will just be down 98% from the all-time high, and we've seen that XYO can recover even after crashing that hard. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be buying some XYO right now, or will you be selling into the pump, or will you be a hodler and you just hodl through all the chaos? What will you be doing right now? Are your altcoins pumping? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.